Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be learning how to use Flipkart API for free. We will cover stepwise how to proceed. We will conclude our video by making a request using the Chrome browser console from the code generated from the postman. This video is divided into two parts. Before proceeding, make sure that you have your Flipkart affiliate account, as it is not possible to create one as of now. Okay, so let's get started. See you in a moment. Software required will be latest version of Chrome browser and Postman for making API calls. All links are given in the description for reference. Visit this link and log in with affiliate credentials. Go to API in that API token and copy-paste both credentials for future use. Now click on API documentation, as we will be using product search API, as it is commonly used and will be useful when we want to develop a price comparison script in future. Navigate to Product API and select Search Query based on Keywords API. Copy curl request and paste it in Postman. Using import in that, paste raw text and make necessary changes in URL as shown. Make GET requests. Parameter value can be edited in the params tab as shown. We got an error as the query was missing. Just add it now as you can see. This is the end of part 1. More will be shown in part 2 about how to make AJAX call and parse request in the web browser console. So stay tuned for the next part. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to this channel.